Hi everyone! Welcome to the next episode of our playthrough with the Robinson family. This is a basic or elementary English class. Last class, we talked about the simple present and the verbs go, do, and be. Today, we are going to learn about the present progressive tense. The verbs we're going to focus on are talk, eat, and play. And because the verbs from the last video are so common and important, we'll also be using those sometimes too. So let's get started. Hillary woke up so early in the morning. It's only 5, and she made breakfast for everybody. Right now, she is eating her breakfast. To conjugate the present progressive, we use that be form from simple present. So I am, you are, she or he is, they are, and we also add the ing to the end of whichever verb we are focusing on. For example, here we have I am eating, you are eating, he is eating, they are eating. No. Cosmo is asking to go out. He needs to use the bathroom. For some reason, Barry is eating breakfast in the kitchen. He's not eating at the table. Maybe he's in a rush. He needs to go somewhere. She's also eating in the kitchen. They're eating in the kitchen. And they're talking. We conjugate talk the same way we conjugated eat. I am talking. You are talking. She is talking. They are talking. So we use the present progressive when we're describing something that's happening right now. Usually the action is not over. It's happening in the moment. Right now, Ava's talking about her new high school, and she's just not sure about it yet. Barry is telling her about the amazing art program at the high school, and he is suggesting that she go and see it and maybe sign up for the art program. And Hillary's getting ready for work, but also blowing a kiss at her husband. She's telling him how happy she is with her job, and she thinks she's going to get a promotion. And Hunter is going to school. We're saying going here because we're talking about this specific action. He goes to school every day. It's not specific, it's habitual. Here we're talking about this very moment. He's going to school. Meanwhile, Barry is playing The Sims. It's a little creepy, isn't it? A Sim playing The Sims. Are we Sims? Barry is playing The Sims right now. He doesn't do this every day. Every day he goes to work as a veterinarian, but he has today off. He has a holiday, so he's playing a game today. And you guessed it, with play we conjugate the same way. I am playing, you are playing, she is playing, they are playing. But Cosmo needs some attention. So he's going to play with Cosmo. So he's playing with Cosmo because right now Cosmo wants to play. Aww. Isn't Cosmo an adorable dog? Do you have a dog? Tell me in the comments about your dog or any other pet you might have. Hunter is home from school and he's tired. So he's playing on the swings. He's playing. We can also say he's swinging. We call this a swing set, and this action is swinging. So you can even say he's swinging on the swings. It looks like Ava needs to swing too. She's looking sad. Now they're swinging on the swings. If you remember in the last episode, sometimes we bring two words together. Usually it's when the second word starts with a vowel like are or is. So she is swinging, she's swinging. They are swinging, they're swinging. Right now, Hunter is doing his school project. Wow, that looks pretty intense for a kid's project. But he's very, very intelligent. He's a genius, so he should be okay. And those are our new verbs today: talk, eat, and play, and our present progressive or present continuous tense. Let me know in the comments what you are doing today. What are you doing today? Are you talking to your friends online? Are you eating dinner right now? Let me know in the comments. Also, please hit subscribe and like so that I can continue bringing you these videos. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a great day wherever you are. Bye!